Foo a peacock got its bonny coloured tail.
Awa hindback, afore your grandfather was born, afore your grandfather's grandfather was born, peacocks were brown. Aye, brown, like dubs, dirt, just plain all brown. But you ken, you shouldna judge a book by its cover, for although the peacock was brown to look at, he was far fae brown in character. He was a cheery soul, fa looked after his pals, and he aye had a kind word to say about abody. A' the other birds liked Peacock. But if truth be telt, Peacock himsel was a bitty disappointed that he didna look as bonny as kingfisher or blue jay or ony of the other birdies that had fine brecht colours. But he shrugged his shoulders and he telt himsel just to get on with it, there was nothing coming oor him. Well, a day, Peacock was pecking aneath the trees in the wood, and he wasna paying ony attention to fit was going on. And you see, the leaves were starting to fa. They were floating on a wind doon to the grun, and doon to his tail. And by the time he'd finished pecking, his tail was covered in all different kinds of colours of leaves. And fin the other birdies seen him, they cheered. Peacock winnered fit was gone on. So they ta'en him down to the loch and telt him to open up his bonny tail and hae a look. And Peacock says, I ken I've got a big tail, but it's nae that bonny. And all the other bird says, hae a look, hae a look. And so he opened up his tail and looked in the water. And he couldn't believe his een. His tail was full o' colour, all different colours and bonny patterns, and Peacock was fair tricked. He was chuffed to bits. And fae that day to noo, peacocks have had recht bonny tail feathers. And that's the story that John and P2 wrote. I hope you enjoyed it.